to them about the authorized personnel, unauthorized, authorized person, and they
And I told them, I was like, look, as long as it's a public area, you can be in that area. But if it's a authorized personnel only, then you just got to stay out of that area. Which I think you understand that.
Oh, most definitely. Oh, Russ? I'm sorry?
Chip Meadows.
Chip Meadows? Okay. Just basically, I guess they can tell you. I mean, I'm just trying to walk around and get some pictures and film in public and of the school board here and get some questions answered, and they've called the police on me.
Yeah, well,
Okay, well, I'm gonna keep filming. Y'all do what y'all gotta do.
no, I'm asking you to stay here, sir. Sir.
We're on our cell phone while we're on the clock working.
No, I'm going live so we can video as well. We two video people together.
Oh, don't delete that footage, ma'am, because I'm gonna FOIA request it.
Okay.
That's now a part of public record, okay? Again, ma'am, I'm giving you formal warning. Do not delete that footage. Do not delete that footage off your phone because it is now a part of public record, and I will be FOIA requesting that footage from your phone.
Okay.
Because you've just...
Unfortunately, I wouldn't be able to further assist you in regards to your request. I just answer the phones and schedule appointments in regards to matters of registration. I can definitely try to get you on the line with Mr. Medder's assistant, so she may be able to further assist you in regards to your request.
Okay.
Do you recall who you spoke with in regards to your request?
Can you
Well, I
provide
don't
me with
have
a copy of that?
information. I don't have that anymore. That's been deleted.
You deleted a public record?
That's been deleted because that's my personal property.
Holy cow. You deleted a public record that I said and warned you that I was going to FOIA open records request?
Well, at this time, I can get you on the line with my direct supervisor if you'd like to speak anything further, and we can get that resolved there.
Oh my goodness, ma'am, that's horrible.
Troup County Board of Education.
Let me speak with your supervisor, please.
You will not speak to my supervisor, sir. You will discontinue to call this number.
Let me speak with your supervisor, please.
To determine whether there is a reasonable expectation of privacy in a specific situation, courts have often looked at the totality of the circumstances, including the conversation occurred. Was it in public, in plain view of others? What was being discussed? Was it private in nature? And how loudly the individuals were talking could bystanders hear? It is not always easy to predict what a court will do, given the fact-dependent nature of the analysis. In general, though, a person home has special significance, and in-person conversations have the greatest expectation of privacy. Additionally, the in-person conversations occurs in a public place, and especially if the parties are talking loudly, there is no reasonable expectation of privacy. The First Amendment generally protects filming and audio recordings of government officials engaged in their duties in a public place, subject to reasonable time, place, and manner restrictions. For example, members of the press and public may record a police officer during a protest or traffic stop as long as the person does not interfere with the officer's ability to perform his duties. Although the Supreme Court has not addressed the issue, 6 federal appellate courts have explicitly recognized the constitutional right to record under the First Amendment, reflecting a growing consensus on the matter. Most states' recording laws only restrict recording in public places when participants have a reasonable expectation of privacy, and therefore state recording laws generally do not conflict with the First Amendment right. Laws that do not have such a limitation, however, may violate the First Amendment. TCSS, can you provide me with a copy of that?
Information. I don't have that anymore. That's been deleted.
You deleted a public record?
That's been deleted because that's my personal property.
Holy cow. You deleted a public record that I said and warned you that I was going to FOIA open records request?
Well, at this time, I can get you on the line with my direct supervisor if you'd like to speak anything further, and we can get that resolved there.
Oh my goodness, ma'am, that's horrible. Why would you delete?
Well, I can allow you to speak with someone,
There are several important aspects to this offense. First, it is a specific intent crime. This means that a defendant must act intentionally with knowledge that he or she is violating the law. See United States v. Simpson. Moreover, one case suggested that this specific intent requires the defendant to know that the documents involved are public records. See United States versus DeGroat. The acts prescribed by this section are defined broadly. Essentially, three types of conduct are prohibited by 18 USC 2071A. These are concealment, removal, mutilation, obliteration, or destruction of records. Any attempt to commit these prescribed acts. And 3, carrying away any record with the intent to conceal, remove, mutilate, or destroy it. It should be noted that all these acts involve either misappropriation of or damage to public records. This has led to one court to conclude that the mere photocopying of these records does not violate 18 USC 2071. The original video has been removed by YouTube for privacy complaint guidelines, which is perfectly legal for a public employee to file a privacy complaint against the YouTube guidelines. However, YouTube has removed the video. The link will be in the description that you can watch the original video on the Georgia Transparency website. The original video is housed on the Georgia Transparency website. Please like, share, subscribe, and Georgia Transparency is out.